Now I'm looking at this roofing iron that is all rusted around the top edge. This is the bottom where it goes into the eave trough, into the spouting there, and this is the top, and here the water comes down from this old roof here, the steeper one, and this is almost flat. This is probably only 2% or 3%, 2% roof pitch, which is not at all compliant with the building standard. And you see it's all rusty along here. And this one is a hole. This is a hole. We got some holes here already, and if I tap my finger hard against it, I might even create a hole. So what I do now to prevent the next rain to go through, I just seal all the holes that I can find, and suggest that we take this, that I can take this roof away, all this roofing material away, and replace it with butanol or fiberglass. This is what I suggest. But these roofing sheets are okay in the middle, yes, but on the two ends, the top and the bottom ends, they are rusted through. So this roof needs to be replaced. Or repaired in a way that is according to the standards. And this here is all the dirt that I took out from underneath the flashing. This is the flashing that was over on top of it, and underneath the flashing all this dirt was building up and causing this rust. There was nobody cleaning it out, so the moisture of the dirt caused the rust to penetrate through the roofing.